How to remove watermark from video with CapCut. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to remove watermark from video with CapCut. So in that case, go ahead and open up your CapCut and then open up the project, and when you're on this project it's going to show this sort of interface. So to remove watermark from video with CapCut, what you can do is, there's no such direct way of doing it. So however, you can give it a try for some alternative ideas. The first thing, you could try adjusting the particular video, or just try to enlarge the particular image or video, and try hiding the watermark. That should be able to fix it. If that's not the case, then try using the blur effect. So go to effect, and from here you could go ahead and tap on the video effect, that is maybe blur tools and all that. And when you locate it, then you could go ahead and press on it, and then you could go ahead and select the area where you wish to go ahead and apply the blur tool, and that should be able to fix it. If that's not the case, then you can also try cropping the video or the image where you have actually watermark, and that should be able to fix it. So in this way you can remove watermark from video. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.